chest.
I was saying, let me out.
We heard that. Was loud. Somebody just turn this. You now want people in your room?
Anytime one cable, we do apologize to you. We no longer offer an excuse to battle when you arrive.
We're making a bunch of changes to Time Warner Cable.
It's an all-new season. My show is a while, it's a little crazy. You know, a lot of exciting things. Now, let me know that it's all right. Get to work. Look how pretty that is. And then you see the real thing. All new different settings. One seating. Cooking channel. So wow. Watch your favorite HGTV shows anytime you want.
HGTV?
Or
On HGTV, everything we do is about making dreams come true.
all day, all day.
600 gallons of good cheer. And a partner that's there through it all. Time Warner Cable Business Class. Bundle 10 meg high-speed internet, phone, and Wi-Fi hotspot access for $99.98 per month. Ask how to get a $200 instant prepaid card. High-speed internet helps Ruth Bakecraft Brewery stay on top of inventory. 2 phone lines from tables but some. But your business...
As we continue our investigation of the Star of India, I conduct an EVP session in the first mate's cabin,
We demand you to manifest yourself now.
where a passenger named Captain McBarnett is said to have had committed suicide. I immediately review my recordings and discover a spirit telling me that he gave up. Is this Captain McBarnett telling me that he gave up on life and that's why he felt before this EVP was captured?
There was a voice. I could hear his voice.
Feeling the pain that Captain McBarnett had before taking his own life.
Are you okay? Oh my God, listen to this. You can hear that? Where's the girl?
Turn the X cameras for further activity.
Whoa.
What's going on?
I just walked into a different wall. Like, this is a different area.
Discovered after falling to his death from a long past. We were told earlier that his spirit loves to play tag.
This feels very good with the time.
Great, we're gonna watch a sci-fi movie that's funny, and ideally, although I'm not making any promises, has aliens.
But can we find her?
Yeah, Time Warner Cable gives us more than demand. Over 30,000 movies and shows, most of which are free. Really easy to find what you want, so it should be there.
Okay, can we order Chinese?
I'm really into vegan right now.
Discover how much more is included at no extra cost. Visit us online to learn more. Time Warner Cable.
Watch your favorite HGTV shows anytime you want.
HGTV, people busy.
HGTV On Demand is HGTV.
In essence, what this is a primitive version of like a millimeter, an EMF detector. Did you hear that, John? Can you come over here, wave your hand over these little copper wire?
It's not really cold.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my God, feel that?
No.
It's up 20 minutes and we never.
Look, it just started moving. It just started moving. Are you serious? It just started moving. It's sealed inside the glass. That's why.
I'm just showing you, no wind is gonna make that go out.
Is this you, John?
Energy around this antenna right here. So cold over there.
Now, we need to help us like you did earlier.
So it concerns me, and then this light anomaly seems to shape